Meaning of entente cordiale.
Entente cordiale.
Entente cordiale.
Entente cordiale.
Entente cordiale. Entente cordiale is a French term that translates to friendly understanding in English. It refers to an agreement or understanding reached between two parties, particularly between nations. The Entente cordiale was a series of agreements signed in 1904 between the United Kingdom and France, aimed at resolving long-standing disputes between the two countries. The agreement paved the way for more cooperation in diplomatic relations between the two nations, and is seen as a key moment in the improvement of Franco-British relations.